Good afternoon, guys. This is Cameron with American Floor Scraping. We're about to put down another moisture vapor barrier on this floor. We're on another job in the Gulf of Mexico this afternoon. You see the pontoon actually looks like it's sinking right here, but a couple of dogs across the street watching us, but should be another good day. So far, we've already mixed up a couple of the A's. Ready to pour it in the 5-gallon bucket, but I'll show you some of the floor prep we've already done. So I've already put a coating down on this floor previously. We'll put another one down, build it up a little bit. So today we're going to put the moisture vapor barrier down, and tomorrow we'll put the top coat down. So that's Dylan, the rise and grind. Out in the bucket now.
2-to-1 mixture.
I'll throw another one in.
It's fucking more than it. You got my drill?
Yes, sir. We're going to keep mixing for about 2.5 minutes just to make sure that everything is mixed uniformly. Putting the roller covers on right now. Using 18-inch frame and a roller cover. Telescoping poles, just so if you end up having a bind, you can end up telescoping the pole out without having a wooden pole. You can only reach so far. But
Want to see it real quick? But I love them.
you win some, you lose some.
All right. We got plenty of work time. We're not in a rush.
Oh no.
We got plenty of work time, dog. All right. Your back rolling, my back rolling.
Either way, whatever you. So right now I'm gonna end up putting the cleats on. Actually, my idiot ass decided to take my shoes off for some reason. Now that my shoes are back on. That's Dylan over here. Starting to lay out the product.
See me fall like freaking cleats. Today's the day.
Oh, today's the day.
I might be. It's slippery as hell.
Get as much crap out of it, you know what I mean? Just going back and forth. Bless you.
Sorry, my language. Did you sneeze?
Yeah.
You sneezy boy?
And shizzles.
So what's up, dog? Who cut your hair, man?
Some dyke.
We need to have a time for this person?
I heard it back pretty quick, so I'm not really thinking about
I get that, but you want to wear my hat, son?
No, I'm just gonna let myself be embarrassed by it. It's a good story.
Who's that?
It's not a good story, dog. It's not. That's not okay. What she did to you is not okay.
I think she mistaken what I said I wanted my hair to look like for what her hair looks like.
You think? I'm not okay with how they did my boy. You hear me?
Give it like
I'm
a week.
okay with this.
Give it like a week and be alright.
No, do you want to borrow my hat for a week? I don't wear a hat because my hair's so gray. Everybody thinks I'm old. You know what I mean? And by the way, I'm not old.
I'll start back on in a second.
Yeah, you can start throwing out the images if you want.
Oh, fuck. Hey, Mitch, we have our weeding roller. It's outside.
Put it on that pole if I was you. Roll your edges out real quick and
I
then.
didn't think about that, to be honest.
But. Alright, I'll talk to you like I talk to Aiden.
No, I was over here, like, wasn't even thinking about edges, to be honest. Even though I know better. Here.
I pick on Aiden so bad, I need to stop. That's probably why he doesn't like me. That's why he probably makes my life hard. I'll be like, Aiden be like, I was thinking, like, you don't get paid with it. That's not your job, man.
You don't get paid with that.
Hmm?
You don't get paid with that.
That's what I'm telling him. You don't get paid with it. That's my job. Stop it. Stop it. I'm gonna roll a puddle out in here,
Or,
in this closet.
alright.
You roll it out. There ain't nothing I can do about it. I can't get a squeegee in there. I'll get that. That's like, I gotta get it. Oh,
I'm trying to keep this
coming your way, Mitch.
as long as possible before I back roll it.
Mitch, what's up, dog? What's my deal double G doing?
Chilling like a rooster.
Hey, why you let your brother get done like that? Huh?
I don't think it was that bad, but I think.
What?
It's just really short.
I'm nowhere near over there, dog.
Oh, you there?
Yeah, I'm all in this closet.
That's what it is.
Yeah. You say you don't look that bad?
No, I used to get short hair though
You
all the
don't
time.
look bad. They still look like a rooster, like they do look like a rooster.
I'll be honest, I don't really give a shit how I was left as long as the cash check. As long as the check cashes.
Yeah. Oh, I know that's right.
I already know how ugly. I don't know.
Oh, I love you as hell. You ain't gotta tell me that twice. You used to tell me once and I know. But my boy Mitch, you know what I mean? I don't like that, you know? I have to have a talk with this lady.
I mean, I'm not gonna lie, she's kind of a bitch the whole time.
And
I'm trying to be nice.
See,
She was making me nervous during the haircut, and I had reason to be apparently. I should have let my gut.
So that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
There's some fucking product on this one, dude.
What?
There's some fucking product on this one.
Can't keep getting lying about that one.
I'm slipping.
I told you, I've been sliding like crazy. I said, if this is going to get any floor I've ever fell on, it's probably going to be this one.
Just a slipping. Air church treatment? No, I'm slipping, dog. Just a slipping. I'm telling you, we're about to make our own YouTube channel, bro.
Yeah.
Job site karaoke, dog. Come on now.
Job site karaoke.
Y'all side karaoke.
No, you open the hot
I'll tear her up a karaoke bar.
Just the good old boys.
We used to have a karaoke machine we used to bring with us.
Yeah?
It's sort of I bought it at Home Depot for $25.
Whoa! Is that camera recording me? Is the camera recording me?
Cameron's recording him, yours is recording you.
I just want everybody to know, and I'm no liar, by any means. Been doing this 12 years. I've never fell on a pair of these. I might fall on this floor. It's so uneven and so slippery, it's not even funny. I'm waiting for it. I just hope I don't fall on product.
That's why I wore these pants.
What?
That's why I wore these pants. I knew.
Everything I got are his work clothes. You know?